Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most luxurious and capable full-size SUVs of 2026, the Lexus LX 600. This SUV is built for buyers who want commanding road presence, serious power, advanced technology, and true off-road capability without compromising on comfort. Competing with heavyweights like the Range Rover, Cadillac Escalade, and BMW X7, the LX 600 stands out with Lexus's legendary reliability and refined engineering, making it a top choice in the luxury SUV segment. The exterior design of the 2026 Lexus LX 600 is bold, muscular, and instantly recognizable. The massive spindle grille dominates the front end, complemented by sharp LED headlights that give the SUV an aggressive yet premium look. Its wide stance, sculpted body lines, and tall proportions create a powerful presence on the road, while the clean rear design with modern LED lighting adds a touch of elegance. Whether parked or in motion, the LX 600 looks confident, expensive, and built to dominate. Under the hood, the Lexus LX 600 is powered by a 3.4-liter, twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing around 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain delivers strong acceleration, effortless highway cruising, and excellent towing capability. The full-time four-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in all conditions, while the refined suspension keeps the ride composed, making this large SUV feel surprisingly smooth and controlled. Step inside, and the LX 600 welcomes you with a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV. High-quality leather seats, real wood and metal accents, and outstanding craftsmanship create a premium atmosphere throughout. The three-row seating layout offers generous space for passengers, making it ideal for families and long journeys. Lexus has paid close attention to comfort, with excellent noise insulation and plush seating that keeps the cabin quiet and relaxing even at high speeds. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Lexus LX 600, featuring a modern dual-screen infotainment system with a large upper touchscreen and a lower display for vehicle controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium audio system that delivers rich, immersive sound. Advanced safety and driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system enhance both convenience and confidence behind the wheel. Despite its luxurious nature, the Lexus LX 600 remains a true off-road SUV at its core. Built on a rugged body-on-frame platform, it includes low-range gearing, multi-terrain select modes, and advanced traction systems that allow it to handle sand, mud, rocks, and steep trails with ease. Whether you're tackling rough landscapes or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, the LX 600 proves that luxury and off-road capability can go hand in hand. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 sits firmly in the premium category, with an estimated starting price above $100,000 depending on the trim and optional features. Higher trims offer additional luxury upgrades, exclusive interior materials, and advanced technology packages. While it's a significant investment, the LX 600 justifies its price with exceptional build quality, long-term reliability, and a well-rounded luxury experience. To sum it all up, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 is a powerful, refined, and highly capable luxury SUV that excels in comfort, durability, and versatility. It may not be the sportiest option in its class, but it delivers where it matters most: premium quality, strong performance, and confidence in any driving condition. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that can handle daily city driving, long road trips, and serious off-road adventures, the Lexus LX 600 is absolutely worth considering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more luxury car content.